Guys, it's Greg with Sawyer Waterscaping. Show you what we're working on this week. We have this whole area right through here. We're stripping. And we're going to do some xeriscaping and big boulders, some dry riverbeds. Kind of put some drought tolerant type plants through here. We're going to take these mounds, make them bigger. So this mound gets bigger, or this kind of cutout, I guess. It's going to be a mound with some moss boulders and some more vegetation. So each of these three, where these aspens clusters are, we're going to make mounds. And then up here, we're stripping this sod out. So we got a lot of sod to strip all through here. It's kind of easement in between the sidewalk and the road. So we're not doing a lot of waterscaping this week, mostly landscaping. We are, however, going to be putting in a kind of a small decorative fountain. We're going to rip all this out and kind of make a dry riverbed through here. We got a few guys in the back. So you can see the guys right here are digging our reservoir. It's going to be right in here. And we're going to have a couple bowls, kind of a stacked urn possibly, a small decorative.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
It'd be good just to hold them down by your side.
Day 3. You can see right through here we've basically got most of our boulders set some of the plants. We're gonna dig those out, and then we put our drip underneath the fabric. We'll tie into that for little bubblers for each of these guys. So once we get these planted, we will run our drip to each of the plants, and then we're going to take all this granite chip that's going to fill in the bulk of this, of the ground cover. And through here you can see the waterfall still going back there. Got a little dry riverbed, more plants to put. This is that mound I was showing you. I'm gonna put a few more rocks and then some plants, set those out. This side we're just getting to putting the fabric down. We had to tie into the existing sprinkler system for our drip that'll run down through, you can see. So we found those, we tied into it, set a few boulders. Then this is gonna be a mound similar to the others. And then we're closing it off right through here. So you can see with this theme here, we kind of try to envision dry riverbeds coming through, cutting through. We didn't want to just put a bunch of rock, so we plopped in some boulders, some little planting rock gardens, and then each of the downspouts basically mimic this drainage coming through here. And then we have it over here coming off there, and then we have a little bit as well over there, just to kind of break it up. So we trenched these, not trenched, but dug them down a bit, so they have that kind of that feel of drainage. And along the front of the house, we did the same thing. With these coming through, right through here. And then we mimicked some in the front.